The Korea Meteorological Administration has launched its first major weather warning overhaul in nearly 2 decades, introducing a top-tier extreme heat emergency alert as the centerpiece of the plan.
기상청이 근 20년 만에 기상특보 체제 개편을 단행한 가운데 이중 폭염특보의 최상위 단계로 폭염중대경보를 신설한 것이 중요한 변화로 꼽힙니다. Okay, so when we talk about all these different alerts, there's a new one to keep in mind, and I guess we might be hearing of this summer.
Hopefully not too often. We're going to be going beyond the 2-tiered advisory system, which was established in 2008. Extreme heat emergency will be triggered when the daily perceived temperature is forecast to hit 38 degrees Celsius, or when the actual readings are expected to eclipse 39 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so does that mean it's a 3-tier system now?
Yes, it is going to be the case. And certainly, it's basically saying, look, I mean, this is like that extra tier, which is going to make it more accurate, certainly as well.
그래요. 2-tier 시스템이라 그러면 2단계의 그런 시스템이고요. 3tier는 이제 3단계인데 기존에는 폭염주의보가 있었고 폭염경보가 있었다면 이제는 폭염주의보, 폭염경보, 그리고 그 위에 폭염중대경보라는 게 하나 더 추가가 됐습니다. 그 기준은 33도 이상 이틀 이상 이제 예상이 되면은 폭염주의보, 이게 체감온도 기준이라고 해요. 그 다음에 폭염경보 같은 경우에는 35도 이상 2일 이상, 폭염중대경보는 체감온도 38도 이상 또는 실제 기온 39도 이상 하루 이상 예상 시. Even if we don't remember all of these, what stands for what, if we do hear that there's a 폭염중대경보, then it's over 38 degrees. It's very hot.
And it might not necessarily be only heat alerts that we're hearing in the summer, because also one of the things that we do deal with in the summertime is rainfall. Of course, it's monsoon season. And also, if they're expecting intense rainfall exceeding 50 millimeters per hour, then we might be getting reports of that as well.
Definitely. One other thing worth mentioning about why it's 38 degrees is because heat wave or heat stroke accidents apparently occur when the weather is around or above 38 degrees. And so that's why that is the sort of standard for this new tier. Let's have a look at some expressions here. Top tier 보도록 하겠습니다.
So a tier is different levels, and a top tier would be the highest among the levels that you're measuring. So kind of like top shelf. If we're looking at things in positive ways, then you'll hear things like that. But it's basically the highest level among the different groups of levels that we have.
How do you spell tier? It's not T-E-A-R, is it?
No, it's not the tear that you cry. It's T-I-E-R.
그래요. top tier 그러면은 최고 단계가 되겠습니다. 그래서 기존에는 2-tier 시스템이었던 게 이젠 3-tier 시스템이라고 했죠. 3단계의 이런 이제 폭염 관련된 그 경보들, 중대 경보들이 이제 있는 거고요. 자, 그다음에 centerpiece of the plan 볼까요?
Centerpiece is something you think of, it would be in the middle, right? But why is that? Well, the centerpiece is something that you would want to feature as being kind of the middle of everything, as being maybe the most important thing in a setup. Usually if it's something on a table, as an example, then it's something that you want to be visible. It's the highlight of everything, or the thing in the middle that you want everyone to look at and to draw attention towards. So that's the physical thing if you think about it. But when we're talking about things in this particular case, the centerpiece of the plan? Well, here we have a plan to make it safer, to give alerts to people in the summertime. But the one that we want everyone to pay the most attention to of all the changes is this particular change.
Yeah, exactly. 자, centerpiece라는 거 자체는요, 식탁 중앙에 놓는 장식물이에요. 그래서 우리가 서양의 그런 Thanksgiving dinner 그 테이블 세팅을 보게 되면은 가운데 터키도 있고 그다음에 뭐 꽃이나 캔들이나 이런 것들도 있을 수 있고요. 예쁘게 해놓은 거. 이게 또 센터피스일 수 있고 아니면은 또 뭐가 있을 수 있을까요? 집에 장식을 해놨는데 그 장식 돼 있는 여러 가지 중에서 가장 가운데 예쁘게 되어 있는 거. 제일 중요한 거. 이게 센터피스인데 자, 비유적으로는 그냥 가장 중요한 부분. So the centerpiece of the plan. 그러면 이번에 발표된 기상청의 계획 중 가장 핵심적인 것 이렇게 해석할 수 있겠네요. 자, 다시 읽어보겠습니다. The KMA, or the Korea Meteorological Administration, has launched its first major weather warning overhaul in nearly 2 decades, introducing a top-tier extreme heat emergency alert as the centerpiece of the plan. Let's move on to the second headline.